How to fix Free Fire login failed, try logging out first error on your Free Fire. Hello guys, this is Atticus from Create Login and Delete back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the login error on Free Fire. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to your App Store and check if Free Fire has an update. So go to your App Store, search for Free Fire and open it up, and if there is an update available, don't forget to update it. After you do that, go ahead again and try to log in to your Free Fire account, and if it does not work, what you'll need to do is you'll need to check your Wi-Fi connection first. So make sure that there is no problem with your Wi-Fi and just try to reconnect to your Wi-Fi, and after you do that, you can go back to your settings, go to your general and go to your iPhone storage. Now under there, you'll need to go to Free Fire, search for Free Fire, and offload the app. After you offload the app, reinstall it and try to log into your account again. Now make sure that you're not connected to the VPN. If you are connected to the VPN, just disconnect to the VPN and try again. So after doing all that, you can go back to your Free Fire and try to log in again and check if it works. And yeah, it should pretty much work, and that is how you fix the problem. Thanks for watching guys. If you have any question, leave it down in the comment box below. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video.